hurriedly, and the purpose is to condemn the arrest or the attempted arrest of our leader and kingpin, Matiang'i Fred, who is a former CS in Gusii. We want to condemn it in the strongest terms, and we want to say that if the government of Kenya wants to arrest the main person they want, that is Uhuru Kenyatta, they should move with speed and arrest him without fail. They should not start pretending and harassing small fish like Matiang'i. Matiang'i is our own. We are going to protect him, and we are telling the government not to dare touch him because he is our person. We want to say that this is a revenge mission which has never happened before from the past regimes. We have the regime of Kenyatta, we have the regime of Moi, we have the regime of Kibaki and Uhuru Kenyatta. Now we are seeing a childish way of doing things. You cannot start intimidating our leaders who have done a sterling job, and we ask our people of Kenya Kwanza, because we are supporting the president. We have not said that we are not supporting the president. If he wants us to be with him, let him stop that nonsense. Let them concentrate in sorting out the economy, which is failing completely. The people are crying. The people of Kenya are crying. And this is just a sideshow to divert the people's attention from the main issues which are afflicting this country. We also want to call upon our chief whip, Silvanus Osoro, to tell us exactly what is his position. Is he with the government to arrest our Matiang'i? Is he with the government to intimidate us, the whole of Gusii? Let him come out clean and tell us how we move forward. For that reason, I'm asking all the Gusii people to come behind our own Mr. Matiang'i and support him. We are supporting as the Gusii people. Thank you so much.
Na tulikupea kura Gusii. Uko na MPs Gusii. Hata saa hiyo ukiangalia all MPs, leaders wa Gusii wako nyuma yako. Wanasema wanataka kukusupport kwa serikali yako ndio ufanye maendeleo kwa Wakenya. Lakini sasa kama sisi Matiang'i ni wetu, ukianza kumarrest, ukianza kumintimidate, kumfanyia madharau, sasa hatutafurahi na wewe mtukufu rais. Kwa hivyo tunakuomba mtukufu rais, hii kazi umeanza ya kufanya mambo ya revenge, hii waachana nayo. Wakati umewachana nayo, ufanyie Wakenya kazi ile ambayo tulikuchagua ufanye.